Medicine shortages are a reflection of our complicated world. When a factory can't get the materials it needs, or when there are delays in shipping, it can directly affect the availability of those medicines. This can happen for various reasons, such as natural disasters, political instability, pandemics. A sudden increase in the demand for a certain medicine can also cause it to be temporarily out of stock. This puts pressure on pharmacies, patients, doctors, and the whole health system.
Medicine shortages are a very serious public health problem. They can lead to treatment delays or interruptions, which is very bad for patients. We have heard from consumer surveys done by our members that sometimes people suffer from a worsening of their symptoms because they cannot get hold of the medicine they need. And they might also suffer from side effects of alternative treatments that are less adequate. Shortages affect all types of products, from hard medications to antibiotics, painkillers. It can really affect any of us. Patients go through the uncertainty of not knowing when their medication is arriving. Sometimes it could be weeks or months. They're worried, and it's stressful for them not knowing. It's important not to panic and to keep on top of your prescription so you don't run out of the schedule. And when there are shortages, talk to your pharmacist or a doctor, and also check the recommendations of your medicines agency.
In my experience, most of the time patients will still get their medicine. It might mean replacing them with an alternative product or finding it in another location. A solution can be found, but it puts a strain on the whole system. As hospital pharmacists, together with doctors and nurses, we really do our best to help patients find the medication they need.
The European Medicines Agency works closely with all EU and DA countries to monitor shortages and coordinate measures. Member states can call on each other for help when a situation becomes too much for one country to handle. This cooperation and solidarity allows us to operate quicker and at a much wider scale. We also work closely with pharmaceutical companies. They play a crucial role in strengthening supply chains and making sure medicines are available. Their early warnings are key, giving us time to act and stop a shortage before it becomes a big problem.
No one can solve the medicine shortage problem on their own.
It's a very complex issue, so it's important that we all get together and work at the European level to ensure that we can get the medicines we need.